Secondly, I would like to address the Invisible College and its application to an informal group of individuals in London in the early to mid-1600s, which predated the Royal Society of London. This informal group did not belong to a formal institution and referred to itself as an invisible college due to their geographic proximity, regular meetings based on shared scientific interests, and correspondence by way of letters. Their common theme was to acquire knowledge through experimental investigation, and much of their practical work involved chemistry. This invisible college included Robert Boyle, Sir Christopher Wren, and Benjamin Worsley. Among other things, Robert Boyle was a physicist, alchemist, and chemist, and one of the pioneers of modern experimental scientific method. Boyle was considered the first modern chemist, and, as such, one of the founders of modern chemistry. In our historical narrative, Sir Christopher Wren was an English architect, astronomer, mathematician, and physicist, and one of the most highly acclaimed architects in the history of England. More on Sir Christopher Wren in a moment. Physician, experimental scientist, and alchemical writer Benjamin Worsley was considered a major figure of the Invisible College in the 1640s. Worsley was experimenting on saltpeter manufacture in 1646. Saltpeter is also known as potassium nitrate, and one of its major uses is in the manufacture of gunpowder. I suspect the group of men working informally through the various invisible colleges of that time period in our historical narrative were involved in reformulating ancient alchemical principles and practices for harmful purposes instead of beneficial ones.